Ryobi band. What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we are talking about something from Ryobi, however you want to call it. I believe this is this HP. It doesn't say HP on it.
No, I don't think that one is.
Wow. Okay. Ryobi's come out with their new thing lately, you guys. The HP horsepower. What is it? High power. Is it horsepower? No.
No, high power. We said it was horsepower. It was high power.
Happy people. Whatever.
Yeah.
HP, right?
HP.
Hewlett Packard.
It's basically the brushless edition.
Right.
Yeah.
Brushless edition tools. You know, a little higher price point than their normal tools, but still lower price point than most competitive contractor tools.
Ones, yeah.
Are they going after the contractor? I don't know. I think they're more going after like the prosumer, kind of like the what Skill's going after, right? The the advanced DIY
or even just the homeowner
prosumer.
in general, because of the price point. You know, even someone who's just like, hey, I just want a good tool thing. You know, a drill, a driver. You know, to keep around the house.
Yeah, no, I agree. And you guys, they came out with this thing right here, which is their what, Eric?
It's like a finger sander.
Yeah.
Basically. Yeah.
And honestly, this is one of the. I have one in Ingersoll Rand. I've never seen another brand with one until now. I'm sure there's other brands out there. I just haven't really researched it. But it's an awesome tool.
Yeah, it is.
Especially for the homeowner, because it gets so many things done. You just had to remove that little burr, or this won't fit in there, and you just have to remove that little bit to get it to fit, or just smooth out. I mean, you could even use this on your nails. I mean, I wouldn't recommend that, but
yeah, I guess that's one option.
If you get big toenails like Eric, dude, you know.
Oh, what was that, Dumb and Dumber, where they had the grinder out? You know what I mean? This is perfect for that.
Yeah, they could have gone with this. You guys, definitely a much needed niche tool that is just awesome. I mean, I am definitely a buyer of this tool. Do we know how much?
No, I don't know how much. Do you?
No, but I'm gonna guess $99.
I'm gonna guess $79.
Are you really?
Yeah,
Let's look
I'm gonna go with it. But it is a good tool. I mean, there's so many people now, especially with everything going on now, doing home projects. This is perfect, you know, if you're doing spindles, if you're doing your banister, if you're doing a chair, all sorts of different things. So
yeah, like what would you use it for at your house?
I don't know if I'd be about. That's not something that actually. I think it's cool, but it's not something I would invest in. It's just not something I would get use out of.
You want to buy this?
No.
Are you kidding me?
It's just not something. There's certain tools out there that I mean, I think it's cool for someone who needs that tool, but that's not something I do. Like, I don't really do furniture, you know, or I don't. There's never been a part.
Dude, Eric.
No. I'm just
this
saying,
would be one of your most used tools. Like,
no, it wouldn't be.
It.
It wouldn't be. I in my whole life, there's never one time where I'm like, man, I need a finger sander. You know.
$79. Wow, good. Home Depot, you guys, $79. Comes with 2 belts. Dude, I know Eric says that, but seriously, dude, if you had this in your garage, you'd have it on a battery, on a 4.0 battery. And the cool thing about it is you can just turn it on. There's a lock, so you can keep it on and actually, you know, sand delicate little things on it.
Yeah, I got one of those table belt sander things that stand up with the disc on there, so I've already got that. So that's what I would use. I just don't need something like. It's kind of like, you know, you use your soldering gun all the time.
Yeah.
I would never use that.
Okay. I still think he has no clue what he's talking about, because that dude, this is like, out of the top 10 tools that I want this.
Yeah, but if you've noticed, we've got different interests, different things. We've always liked different tools. You know,
But
you're more mechanic, I'm more, you know.
You always need to sand something small.
Like, I'm trying to think one thing that I've done. Even though I've done my whole house, I've tried to think one thing that I'm like, wow.
Okay, I guess if you don't do metalwork, but you can still use it on
woodwork, like I was saying, like banisters, chairs, tables, all sorts of different things that you're trying, you know.
Yeah.
It does. Like, if you're trying to get in tight spots, it's a great tool.
Yeah. It's crazy, guys. Quick adjustability for your belt. You can just slide it off, put the other one on. It also has a tracking feature. You know, when you got your belt and it starts going to one side, you can track it back towards center with the tracking feature. Honestly, I think it's a great tool. I recommend it to pretty much anybody. I would get this sander over any other sander for my house. Obviously, granted, like Eric, if you're doing big projects, you know, you're going to need a belt sander, a real belt sander or something like that. But, dude, this to me just solves tons of issues. Also, variable.
Like for you, other than automotive, what would you? When would you use it?
Just like, okay, let's say I'm building some shelves in my garage or something. I got a sharp
Have you
area.
been building shelves in your garage? That's all.
I
That's
had
my
before.
point.
I had before, yes.
And okay, the shelves in your garage,
I
you not use the fingers.
I just did Tiffany's house.
You know,
her garage.
Oh, did you? Okay.
Yeah, and like where there's like sharp spots, I could have just ran down the whole lip of this with that.
Yeah. Okay. Good point. Right there.
You know what I'm saying?
There you go. I agree with that.
It's just cool. You know, you're working
now. So then I will actually buy it, but instead of buying it, I can just have this one now. So
okay,
now it works.
Whatever.
I see how it goes.
Okay, you could scrape, you guys, right? You use a scraper, and basically the scraper gets dull. Sharpen it right here.
That's true. I could get rid of.
I mean,
I got a work
dude,
sharpener.
what
I
else do you
could get
have
rid of.
that's so portable?
No, I mean,
And that
now
would
that you're actually
accomplish that.
saying it, I guess there would be places I could find to use this. You know
Right.
what I mean?
Dude,
So,
it's an
yeah.
awesome tool.
Okay,
It really
I'm sold,
is.
man. You're a good salesman. I like
Really?
it. I like it.
Okay, how many do you want? They're
Four.
$4.99 each.
Oh, $4.99.
$499 each.
Can I get an extended warranty?
No, you don't even get any warranty. You can't even talk about them.
Really? I'll
Yeah, the
I'll do
serial
3
numbers
then.
are all scratched out, but you're buying 5. Okay, got it.
5? Okay, perfect.
Yeah,
I like it.
sweet.
I like it.
All right,
See?
guys, peace out. We're just kidding about that. Obviously, we might get a message. Do you guys sell tools? No,
No, we
do
don't.
not. We're joking. It was a joke. It was a joke. But yeah, I definitely recommend it. Where do you get it? Home Depot. Yes, obviously there's Lowe's behind us. They do not carry Ryobi. Only Home Depot does. Sometimes you do find it on Amazon or eBay.
Yeah.
But like we were just talking about, I don't trust eBay, man. Only because on eBay it could be stolen. You never know.
Oh, yeah.
Some guy could have robbed a truck, robbed a store, and now he's selling them on eBay. B, it could be a return. Some people buy the big
They
return
do,
lots.
yes.
You know
and
what I'm
then
saying?
they pawn it off as being nil, and it's like, no.
Yeah, that's Randy's truck out there that's making that noise. And you guys,
It's a Ford,
if
go
you
figure.
search YouTube for Amazon resellers, dude, they actually, there's people that just go behind malls through dumpsters to grab like over product and resell it. Literally, they do it with food.
What?
Yes.
That's
you never
illegal.
seen that? Seriously?
No, that's illegal. You can get, I mean, that's how
No,
stuff
it's
starts.
illegal. That's how the internet operates. I mean,
Wow.
it's crazy, dude.
They go
literally
in
went,
dumpsters and get food?
yeah, canned goods, and they're like, oh, this is not dented. This is it. Okay, we'll get 99 cents for this, and they'll put it up as long as the date's still good. Dude, some people even put it up with the past date. So, dude, Amazon, just buy when it says just from Amazon. I would not.
You do a lot of different research on the internet, man. I'm surprised. It's
Well,
good. You know?
yeah, dude, because I
Yeah,
buy
that's
a
good.
lot of stuff.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean,
true.
literally, I buy so much stuff, it's crazy. All right, you guys, peace out. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.